guys, it's Shannon. I have another Simply Earth unboxing, so let's get right into it. So before I get started, I wanted to tell you a little bit about Simply Earth here. It is a monthly subscription box that comes with 4 essential oils, recipe cards, and some goodies to create the recipes that come in your box each month. But the cool thing about Simply Earth is once every 6 months, you will actually get a big bonus box. So everything that you get in this big bonus box, as you can see, it is honestly very big. Everything that comes in here will actually be aiding you in making what you get monthly in your recipe box. So you get this once every 6 months, but you'll still be getting your Simply Earth recipe box monthly. So let me show you a little bit of what is in my bonus box here that I got several months ago now. So it's actually starting to dwindle down. I have almond oil in here, coconut oil, some hard coconut oil, and then a bunch of the containers, and I've already used quite a bit of them. So I still have a couple more boxes coming monthly that I will be needing these containers to make with the monthly box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. I'm so excited. I look forward to this every single month. This is my absolute favorite monthly subscription box that I get. And let's see, on top are labels, so it kind of tells you all the cool things that you'll be making with the recipe box. Here are the recipe cards, and then here are the 4 essential oils that come monthly. And then over here on the side, you will be getting some of the extras that you'll need to create the recipes. So let's look at all the cool things we're gonna make this month. So, oh my gosh, this is perfect. It is June and I have been looking for natural sunscreens, and they are not cheap. They're actually pretty pricey, but we try to do all natural products, especially anything that would go on our skin. So the first thing in our recipe box is a all natural sunscreen. There is a Bug Be Gone spray. My son is in T-ball right now, so we definitely need that. Bug Bite Relief Lotion Stick. I need this because we are outside pretty much every single day and into the evening, and the bugs are out big time right now. So this will be a relief lotion stick. That is too cool. I love that Simply Earth also includes diffuser recipes, and this one is a relaxing summer days recipe for your diffuser. There is a blackheads vanishing powder because we can all benefit from that for sure, and then a relaxing clay scrub. So all kinds of great things that we can make with the items in this box. Let me show you what oils came in this box this month. So the first one is marjoram. I also want to mention that all of these oils are what we need to create the recipes that we receive in the box too. There is lime. There is a bug fighter combo oil. That will be extremely useful this summer. And then tea tree, which is also a kind of staple essential oil. So now that I've showed you the oils, let me show you the extra little goodies that we got here. So we actually have zinc oxide, as well as this kaolin clay. So now that's all the cool things that we got in the box. I want to create a couple of these recipes for you guys. So the first thing I'm gonna make is the sunscreen, because we are needing that desperately right now. And it says that the ingredients that we need are the marjoram essential oil, almond oil, the hard coconut, zinc oxide, and some beeswax. And then I have a bowl that I'm gonna put on a double boiler, and then my measuring items. So let me go ahead and get to work on that. recipe, I'm going to be making the Bug B Gone spray, and it calls for water. I have some distilled water here. It calls for vanilla extract, which I am unfortunately out of. I guess I baked too much over the holidays. And then you'll need a spray bottle, which came in the bonus box. You'll need more almond oil, and then the Bug Fighter essential oil that came in the monthly subscription box. And then I have a few items here to mix it all up with. I do like to mix my things in measuring cups like this because it makes it easier to pour into bottles like that. So let me get started making the Bug B Gone spray. So like I said, this is my favorite monthly subscription box that I get every month, Simply Earth. And the great thing about it is it's very affordable too. I know I have paid what it costs for a month subscription for just one of these oils from another company. So in your box you get 4 oils, and that's worth the investment right there. But you also get all these great things as well as your bonus box. So it is very much worth it, and Simply Earth is bringing you guys a very special offer just for being a Daily DIYer subscriber. They are offering you guys a $20 gift card to their online store when you become a new subscriber to Simply Earth. I will have that linked down in the description box below. You can also go to their website and use the coupon code TheDailyDIYer free. So like I said, we use a lot of natural products, and this has just made it so much easier to be able to have says on the box, enjoy a natural home. So not only beauty products, but home products, cleaning products, and family used items like these bug sprays and sunscreens. So I can't wait to make the other recipes that came in this box and receive next month's box. So make sure you subscribe. I will have videos linked down below if you'd like to see some of the other goodies that came in other monthly subscription boxes that I've gotten from Simply Earth in the past. Also hit the like button if you enjoy videos like this. I absolutely do, because I feel like you get not only a great box and fun stuff that comes every month, but it's also fun, and it is a DIY. You're creating your own healthy and natural products. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.